Hi, this is Brian Kemmis from MarineMax in Fort Myers, and I wanted to show you one of my latest listings, a 2018 315 Conquest, the versatile 315. We've got our optional stainless steel anchor. The owner had custom made black mesh blind out shades. We've got radar and remote spotlight and a white hull. Beautiful boat. And as I walk back to the cockpit here, we've got a optional aft sunshade. We're powered with twin white 350 Verados and joystick docking, and lots of seating for friends and family. We've got our live well in the port corner, saltwater washdown under that lid. Lots of seating on the back bench seat and the optional starboard bench seat. And then my favorite seat in the house is that aft lounger, looking backwards when you're hanging out or fishing or cruising. And we have an optional refrigerator and a nice utility sink and cockpit air conditioning. The helm area, we've got the optional sun pad lounger. The table pulls out, gives you a place to put a glass of wine or a sandwich. And as I enter the helm area, we've got twin 12-inch Raymarine axioms. Like I said before, joystick docking, digital shift and throttle, digital hydraulic steering, fusion stereo down there on the bottom left, optional remote spotlight, active trim, which is engine trim, and obviously the boat has trim tabs also. And you can see the air vents help out on those hot days with the air conditioning. Standing in the companionway door, looking downstairs into the cabin, and this owner leaves his dinette set up into a bed. So if we move the bedding, that table will lift up and give you a dinette area. And we've got a nice sink, refrigerator, single burner stove, and microwave. And this owner keeps the boat on the lift, so he runs a dehumidifier all the time to keep the boat from condensating and getting moisture in it. And I'm not sure you can see lots of daylight coming through lots of portholes and skylights. Another view of the galley area, microwave, stovetop, refrigerator, nice size sink, and then an aft cabin that's good for storage or to make up a second bed. Got our head and shower area. The faucet lifts up and hangs on the wall there. Nice sunlight and ventilation if you want to open the porthole. Nice storage on the bottom. 110 outlet for that blow dryer or electric razor, and a vacuum flush head with a holding tank and overboard discharge. 2018 315 Conquest. If you have any questions at all, please give me a call. My cell number is 239-222-5907. 239-222-5907. And this is Brian Kemmis. Thank you.